Join me as I dive deep into the world of automation and try to uncover what's really happening behind the scenes. Automation is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, transforming the way we work, interact, and even think. From smart home devices to self-driving cars, automation is no longer just a concept of the future. It's our present reality. The increasing presence of automation in various sectors is raising questions about its impact on our society. One of the biggest concerns with automation is job displacement. As machines and algorithms take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, many people are worried about their jobs becoming obsolete. This concern isn't just about the loss of employment. It's also about the potential widening of the skills gap. With automation advancing at a rapid pace, the skills that are in demand are changing, leaving some individuals struggling to keep up. Ethical concerns are another significant challenge posed by automation. As AI and machine learning become more sophisticated, questions about bias, accountability, and transparency arise. For instance, AI systems used in hiring processes have been shown to perpetuate existing biases, if not properly audited. These issues highlight the need for careful consideration and regulation of automated systems. The impact of automation on certain industries has been particularly pronounced. Manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are just a few sectors where automation has significantly altered the landscape. However, it's not all about displacement. Automation also brings about efficiency, accuracy, and the ability to handle tasks that are dangerous or tedious for humans. The benefits of automation are undeniable. It allows for increased productivity, improved safety, and the ability to focus on more creative and strategic tasks. For example, in healthcare, automation is being used to analyze medical images, helping doctors diagnose conditions more accurately and quickly. Technological advancements in automation are happening at a breathtaking pace. Robotics, artificial intelligence, and IoT, Internet of Things, are some of the key technologies driving this change. These advancements are not just about machines, they're also about data and how it's used to make decisions. Automation's reach extends into sectors you might not immediately think of, like agriculture and education. In agriculture, automated systems are being used for everything from planting to harvesting. While in education, AI-powered tools are helping personalize learning experiences for students. A critical insight into automation that often gets overlooked is the extent to which it can augment human capabilities rather than merely replace them. While there's a narrative that automation is solely about replacing human workers, many industries are finding that it can enhance human productivity and innovation. In fact, a surprising statistic is that a significant portion of job displacement due to automation might not be as high as predicted. Some studies suggest that while automation will change the nature of work, it might also create new job opportunities that we can't yet imagine. The relationship between automation and employment is complex. It's not just about jobs being lost, it's also about new jobs being created. The key is ensuring that workers have the skills needed for these new roles. Understanding the true impact of automation requires looking beyond the headlines. It's about recognizing both its potential to disrupt and its potential to enhance. In conclusion, automation is a multifaceted issue that presents both challenges and opportunities. It's about change, and with change comes the need for adaptation and innovation. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on automation. What do you think its future holds? Are you excited about the possibilities or concerned about the challenges? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check out my other videos on technology and innovation for more insights into the world of automation and beyond.